Hey guys, right now it was super amazing. Day three was all about Facebook attraction marketing, and we have here right now some amazing people want to share how was the session today. Here you go. The first person we are unmuting you, Zamir, and Zamir, you are there? Yes.
Hello.
Hello, great to see you.
Definitely. Okay. You guys see me?
Yes, yes, we can see you. You are looking
Okay.
awesome.
Beautiful. Akshay, you are a superstar, man. What should I say? You have invested so much in yourself, and you are like a Harvard professor prepared in Boston, Massachusetts. So you know your content, you know about consulting. Uh, the free workshop now is the third day. So I managed to be for 3 days in a row, and I've definitely learned a lot. One thing is to have a professional presence on social media
Hmm.
and to know with the right audience to who do you speak to
Yes.
and packaging the offer. This is from today's because you've spoken a lot, but if I'm about to give it
How
back,
was that
if
wife
somebody else,
avatar? Did you liked it? Ideal
sorry,
customer avatar, wife
yes,
avatar.
exactly. Yes, the avatar about the ideal customer. Yes, because I remember this conversation I've had back in 2014, so 7 years ago. A good friend of mine in Norway, he was then speaking to me about creating the avatar of yourself and a dream client. What do you want to be? How do you see? Exactly, like what you were just saying. So, and unfortunately, most of the people, they don't know their avatar. They don't know their dream client. Who is it? Where he
Yes.
hangs out? What does he like? And but yeah, thank you, man. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. And Muzamir, what do you want to tell for all the people who have not become part of this workshop? Do you have any words to tell for them, for the people
Of
who are not
course,
even part?
I highly, highly encourage everyone to follow you, to listen you with elephant ears and with eagle's eyes and with lion's courage, because I believe they will be super motivated idiots in a positive sense that they
Yeah.
can take and blast it out. So this is, what I can say.
Thank,
Actually, you are the best, man. Just keep
thank you
keep it
so
up.
much.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
brother.
you. Thank you to you.
Yes. And it was so amazing, Muzamir sharing. Everyone tell amazing to Muzamir. And who wants to share next? Just tell me in the chat. I'm going to unmute you, right? And guys can share. Udaya Rai, I think you were ready, right? Udaya, you are there? If you want to share something, you can share. And others, Nishant, Karan, Karan, you want to speak? Going to unmute you. You can share what was your biggest takeaways today, right? See, it's all about you have to take action, right? And that's how, yeah, Udaya is there. Yes, Uday, you are unmuted, like team unmute him. Yes.
First of all, Savilku, thank you so much. First of all, thank you. Namaste.
Yeah. Namaste. Oh,
You
great to
are
see you, Udaya. How was the workshop today?
today's आज का दिन the mind blowing and the miracle your social media exactly your mind blowing and miracle your social media is the imagine your class 3 day your social media is a powerful and the fit or organic your fit or poor or definitely your mindly acceptly your organic
You can
surely.
talk in Hindi only if you are comfortable in Hindi.
You
Hindi or
can speak
Nepali.
Nepali also if you want.
हजुर
You can explain the same thing in
You
Nepali
can tell
also
in
if you
whatever
want.
language you are comfortable.
जो भी आज का था जो भी होता है डेफिनेटली स्माइलिंग ज्यादा होता है और हैप्पीली और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द 3 डे का क्लास जो भी है इमेजिन सो इमेजिन हैप्पी मोर देन क्लासेस class and happy emotional no happily and excitedly your super confidently excited your class and fit free class your the थ्याङ्क यू सो मच अक्षय करेन्सी यो फर्स्ट
Yeah.
सबै मेम्बर्सको थ्याङ्क यू
Thank you. Thank you, Uday. Have a great day. Okay. God bless you. Awesome. Yeah. And it was super amazing, guys. And do anyone else want to share your biggest takeaway? Just tell me in the chat. Right. If you have something, Nishant. Yeah. Nishant, I'm going to unmute you. Great to see you.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, we can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, actually, I'm really impressed with you, and I really like your content because I want already told you that I have working online from the last 1.5 years, but I don't know that how I can manage my time, and I I have learned this thing from you, and I want to implement this thing very soon.
Awesome. What
Thank you
was
so
your
much,
biggest takeaway
Akshay.
today, Nishant? What action you're going to take?
Uh, I have learned art of storytelling and how to optimize my profile. And also third is
Awesome.
marketing and advertising. Difference between marketing and advertising.
Yeah, it all comes down to
Thank you so
taking
much,
action.
Akshay.
My pleasure. God bless you.
Yeah.
Right. And thank you so much. Yeah. And is there anyone else who wants to share like your biggest takeaways learning? Do let me know, guys, in the chat. Someone telling I'm not able to talk on camera, but I'm telling you, can anyone read that? What Asif read that? What Debshis wants to share?
I'm not able to talk on camera, but I'm telling from bottom of my heart that I have never get this much of value on free workshop before. You have already cleared half of my mindset obstacle to start my first consulting business. Wishing you all the best and more success to you.
Yeah,
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
much, guys. God bless you. Right, it's all about taking action, right? And thank you so much, everyone, for all the viewers who want to become part of the workshop, become part of it. Like this is what all the people want to tell.